Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Before we move towards our today's lesson, let's give a look at what we have learned in our previous lesson. The previous lesson was review of sentences. We revised all of the sentences that we have learned in previous weeks, the sentences in Urdu. You can always watch the video again to revise again and again. Alright, so now let's begin with our today's lesson. Now first we will learn a few vocabulary words. The first word is day. In English we say day and in Urdu din. Din. In English we say week. A week, and in Urdu we say hafta. Hafta. In English we say today, and in Urdu aaj. Now let's repeat one more time. Day, din. Week, hafta. Today, aaj. Day, din. Today, aaj. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, so now let's learn to say the days' names in Urdu. The first day of the week is Monday. It's Monday. In English we say Monday, and in Urdu Peer. Peer. The next day is Tuesday. In English we say Tuesday, and in Urdu Mangal. Mangal. In English we say Wednesday. Wednesday, and in Urdu we say Budh. Budh. In English Wednesday, and in Urdu Budh. Let's repeat one more time. Monday, Peer. Tuesday, Mangal. Wednesday, Budh. Alright. Let's learn to say Thursday. So in English we say Thursday, and in Urdu Jumerat. Jumerat. Then we say Friday in English, Friday, and then in Urdu Jumma. Jumma. In English Friday, and in Urdu Jumma. Saturday. In English we say Saturday, and in Urdu hafta. Hafta. In English Saturday, and in Urdu hafta. Now let's repeat one more time. In English Thursday, in Urdu Jumerat. In English Friday, and in Urdu Jumma. In English Saturday, and in Urdu hafta. Alright, and then the fun day. The fun day is Sunday. In English we say Sunday, and in Urdu Itwar. Itwar. Sunday, Itwar. So I hope that you understood these names. The names of the days of the week. पीर मंगल बुध जुमेरात जुम्मा हफ्ता और इतवार. पीर मंगल बुध जुमेरात और जुम्मा हफ्ता और इतवार. पीर मंगल बुध जुमेरात और जुम्मा हफ्ता और इतवार. So repeat many times for practice. All right. Do you remember? Day is din. Today is aaj. Day is din and today is aaj. Okay, do you remember that how to say what in Urdu? Yes, we say kya. When we ask a question in English, we say what. And when we ask a question in Urdu, we say kya. All right. So now let's learn to say what is the day today? What is the day today? In Urdu we say आज क्या दिन है? What is the day today? आज क्या दिन है? In answer of this question we say today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. And in Urdu we say आज हफ्ता है. Because you remember how do we say Saturday in Urdu? Yes, correct. We say hafta. So, if there is some other day, you can always tell what day it is. You can always say आज पीर है, आज मंगल है, आज इतवार है. So here, but today is Saturday. So we are going to say आज हफ्ता है. What is the day today? आज क्या दिन है? Today is Saturday. आज हफ्ता है. So, in English we say, what is the day today? In Urdu it is, आज क्या दिन है? We reply and say in English, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. And in Urdu we say, आज हफ्ता है. Repeat many times for practice, okay? All right, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you with another lesson, inshallah, again. Watch the video and repeat many times for practice, all right? I will see you again. Allah Hafiz.